Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 1999 Case IH MX240 with 4,950 hours. Let's take a closer look at the features on this tractor. Under the hood, this Case IH MX240 has 240 engine horsepower and an 18-speed POWERSHIFT transmission. In the rear, you will find 4 remotes, a 3-point quick hitch, and a 1000 PTO. Moving on to the drive tires, which are 14.9R46s, and the front tires, which are 14.9R30s. And up to the cab, which is fitted with air conditioning, a passenger seat, and auxiliary lighting. Thank you for viewing this Case IH MX240. If you're interested in this tractor and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. If you're interested in viewing more equipment, go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.